Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Steph. That's me. In today's video, we have CHIC Beauty Box. It's a bi-monthly subscription. I believe this is for July, August, but I can't swear to it. I won't really know until you... Well, actually, you'll see it on the title, because by the time I open it, then I'll go ahead and create the title. But whatever box this is, whatever it says in that title, if you want to see what's inside, then keep on watching. Hey guys, remember to rate the video, thumbs up, and subscribe if you have not. Thank you. Okay guys, so welcome back, like I said. And yeah, I'm not sure which box this is. It will say it in the thumbnail, I guess, in the title, because I don't know until I open the box. Anyway, I believe it's for July and August, if I'm not mistaken, but like I said, whatever it says there, that's the correct information. So let me just quickly say, if you're new here, welcome. I would love if you would consider subscribing, take a chance on the channel. For those of you who have been with me and are returning, welcome back. Please, guys, if you would not mind, please don't forget to rate the video. Either thumbs up or thumbs down, whichever way you're feeling, it's fine. I just, when you hit the thumbs up, the more thumbs up I get for a video, it actually shares it. YouTube, it will be picked up by YouTube's algorithm, and it will be shared out to people I don't even know exist. So, you know what I mean? Like I always say, let YouTube do some work for us for a change, instead of us, you know, constantly trying to share. Anyway, back to the video. Okay, so we do have CHIC. Now, this is such a tiny box. It always is like pretty small, but it packs a big punch. I believe, like I said, this is a bi-monthly, and I believe it's $34.99. I don't quote me on that, but I will link everything down below in the description box, including a link that will bring you. Harley, what are you doing, my cat? Will bring you right to the website, and if I have any type of code or anything, that will be linked down there as well. Okay, so I open it up, and this is what I see. Okay, so you know what? 1 second. I'm so sorry, the cat. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry about that. She was about to pull my whole thing down again. That the little holder I have, she likes to. It's this thing. It's made of net, and she can get up there with her nails and pull it right down. Anyway, so I scooted her away. I love my baby, but you know, filming is filming. Okay, so sorry guys. It's CHIC, or CHIC, however you want to say it, beauty box for whatever month. And when I open it up, it looks like this. This does come in a mailer. It says handle with care, fragile, and it has my label on it. So I did go ahead and open it and take it out. And then this was also outside of the box, so we'll go over that as well. Now, I do see a card. Yes, okay, thank you. Less editing. So this, I do know that this box you can customize, and also they have variations. So this month they have 2 variations, and I'm not sure which one I got until I go in there and see. Now, I do know what I picked. I don't remember, really, tell you the truth. I know I did customize something. I picked the shades or what it is, but anyway, once I start digging in, we'll be able to see. It does have a list of the items and also the prices there, so that's awesome. Okay, so let's see. And then when you open it up all the way, oh, that came up. Okay, so there you have that. And it's always very nicely packaged, and I've never had any problems. Unlike Bijou, which I never did until this month. I tried doing that, recording that video, guys, and the palette imploded when I opened it. Or it must have been on its travels, because when I opened it, it was sealed in saran wrap, and there was the black everywhere. It had to be the black shadow, right? Oh my God. So I reached out. I haven't heard anything back, but we'll see. So if you guys want to see me, I mean, I can still show it to you if you'd like. I'm just going to wear gloves so I don't get black everywhere. But let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so, because that's for July, that box. All right, so again, the first thing I see here, let's see. Glasses, I got them right here. Okay. This is the Tarte, the Lip Architect. Okay, this is from Tarte, and this is what the packaging looks like, guys. Right there, okay. And it is in the, so I'm assuming it's a lip product. And it is in the shade Romantic, which I believe looks like that. Let me do my left hand. I have the camera. I keep switching the camera back and forth, but I don't focus. Focus. Oh my God, really? Is it trying to focus on my face? It sure is. I don't know. Anyway, it does say romantic. That's the shade. And when I open her up, this is what it looks like. So this would mean I have, looks like I have variation 1, but I won't know until I'm all the way done with the thing. So here's what the product looks like. And I believe this is like a liner. Looks like a liner. Yeah. So this would be a lip liner, because Lip Architect, let me run that down a little bit. Why is there a hair on there? No, that's not. Oh no. Okay. It looked like a fuzz. It's not. I'm just seeing things. Okay, so there you have that shade. Hold on a second. Really? Come on, Steph, get into it there. Okay, so that's the liner. Now I'm assuming that the lip shade will be close. I mean, that's a good way to do it. And so there you have it there. I did like a swatch next to it. So they are almost, actually they really are identical. So the liner is just to keep this in, the lip part, so you would fill in with this part and line with this part. So Tarte is kind of hit or miss with me. Now I do like that shade though, so all right. And this is valued at $24. Wow, for a lip liner. I guess that's not bad because you get a lipstick and a lip liner basically. So there you have, that's the first product. And the second thing I see is also from Tarte. And this is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Chrome Paint Shadow Pot. What? Oh, I was going to say, never mind. This is, never mind. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay, I wish it would just focus. There you go, okay. And this is in the shade Top Yacht. Top Yacht. Okay, so there, that is yacht, right? Like the boats. Okay, so what is this? I don't know. It doesn't say here. It's an eyeshadow, jewelry for your lids. It is cruelty-free, and I don't know about vegan or anything, but I'm not sure. I have to get that. I have to start really paying attention to that more. So when you take it out of the, oh wow, really? What is that? Oh, I don't know. That looks like it got messed up. I don't know. I have to check. It kind of looks like it's like right up against the glass. I don't know if you guys can see that. But, oh, and it's loose. The shadow is loose. Oh my God. It was like not screwed on there. Wow. Did I get it anywhere? No. I guess I can't. I'm going to go. I don't want to swatch this, but it's, oh my God. You know what? I'm not going to swatch. Oh, I see. There's a little lid that is right here. It has a little thing, if you guys can see that. And I don't know, I guess this just goes down in there. I don't know, if anybody's seen this product before, can you please let me know down below? Let me put this in here. I'm not going to stick my fingers in it. I'm just going to put this, watch. Matter of fact, I'll do it right here on camera. I am going to just, okay, oh God. I gotta level it, oh my gosh. My fingernails are caught, okay. So I guess this kind of just drops down in there, I would imagine. That's kind of weird. If anybody knows about this, let me know, please, because I've never seen anything like this. The top doesn't even go to the edges. That's really strange. And then there is some in there. That's why I couldn't see through the glass. But now, some of it did spill out. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten this back up because, guys, I don't know about this. I do not think I will be using this. It is valued at $22, so it looks like it's a loose pigment. And hang on, there is some on the thing. I don't know if I can swatch with this or not. Can we see with that? Is that enough? Hold on, here we go. All right, so let me just do that. So there's the shadow there. I mean, it looks like it is a shimmer, and it is I mean, I guess if depending on your skin tone, you can maybe use it as a highlighter. I don't know. But that is a nice shimmer. But I have so many that color, and they're not loose. I don't do well with loose pigments. I mean, I can use them, but they're quite messy. And I am a messy person, so especially when doing my makeup. So yeah, that's just a recipe for disaster. So I'm going to put that aside. Wow, it's like everywhere. What? Okay, wow. All right. Okay, now. So that, and like I said, that is valued at $22. That's the second item. And then, oh, okay. The third item that I'm pulling out here is, oh, I remember. Okay, so this is Too Faced Peach Kiss Moisture Matte Longwear Lipstick infused with peach and sweet fig milk. Okay, so there's the packaging there. I'm gonna go ahead and break it out. It's in the shade Make Me Blush. Okay, that's a cute name. I like that. Oh, look at that. Okay, so this is really cute packaging, guys. I've been really into Too Faced lately. And I know they have this, the peach line, but I don't think I have it. Oh, I do have this. Yes, I do. What am I talking about? I have this. I have the eyeshadow palette and the highlighting palette. So there's the top, which there's the part of the packaging. That's pretty cute. And it does come like this. And again, it is Make Me Blush is the... And here you go. This is like a nice rosy neutral. Like I said, I'm not too much. That is a very nice color. But I have so many lipsticks, guys, and I don't use... I don't reach all the time for like bullet lipsticks, but I do have quite a few in my collection. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. Undecided about this one. This will go in the maybe pile because I'm not sure. I do like that color though. Okay, so this is valued at $21, okay? And it doesn't really say it. It says achieve a burst of intense matte color, so it is matte. Unsurpassed comfort and hydration with this long-wearing, refreshing peach and sweet fig milk infused formula. Yeah, so that's it. And then it has ingredients on the back. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3 products. And again, that is $21. Okay, so the fourth thing is what was outside the package. And I did get to choose this. I believe I was able to customize one of these items, I believe. One of the 2 lippies, I believe I picked. I'm not sure. I can't swear by it, but you do get to customize, you know, quite a few things in this subscription, and I'm loving that, you know. Okay, so this right here this is the 4th item, and it says this is the Clarins. Oh, this is another thing I got to pick. I either got to choose from this or I believe it was the Clarins Graphic Ink Liner. Liquid eyeliner, and you already know I got a ton of liners, right? Okay, so here we have this. This says, I don't know what this says. This says Super I can't say this word. Super Restorative Instant Lift Serum Mask. Okay, so I'm digging that. You know your girl loves some masks, and it comes in a little envelope like this. You pull it out, and what does it say? But replenishes and immediate radiance. Replenishing and immediate radiance. Okay. So, and then it does give you the instructions here. Let me see something. Yeah, this is just a sheet mask. I thought it was one of those ones that like that I have sitting here that you put over your ears. But anyway, oh, there you go. And then it does have the instructions on the back. And this, I like Clarins. They're a tad expensive, you know. But I guess you get what you pay for when it comes to this kind of stuff. Skincare or what have you. And this is, oh my gosh. This is, valued. They're saying that this is one mask is valued at $25. Now, I don't know, you know, if that's a set or what, but they're saying $25. They're counting this as one item. So, there's that. Okay, and then the last thing in this box is the Milani Everyday Eyeshadow Palette. And I think I did pick this as well. There were 2 I can't swear how many, but I know that when I saw it, I was like, oh, because I have not tried Milani eyeshadows. And I've heard they're really good. I saw the Not So Evil Stepmother do a look with one of these, and she said that they performed really well. So when I saw it, I chose this one only because of the color scheme. And here we have it. It doesn't come in a box or anything, and is it taped? I believe it's probably taped. Yeah, it's taped shut. But here you go. Here are the shadows right there. I mean, they're nice. Let me see. Is there, how many mattes are in here? You know how I always like to count. 1. I see like a satiny formula. I see 1 matte, 2 mattes, 2 for sure mattes, and maybe 2 satins, and then a shimmer, which would be this one here would be the shimmer. And yeah, this is Earthy Elements. That's the name of the palette, which is kind of nice. It's like a neutral palette. I don't know about that orange in there. I don't know if I would get away with that, but my nails do not come for me. I'm sorry. I forgot to do them. And then you have the brush. It has, yeah, it's a brush on both ends, it looks like. See that? So that's cute. And this is valued at $10.99. Now, you remember, guys, I told you I have palettes that I bought for like $13 that worked wonderfully. And I bought palettes that you know, paid an arm and a leg for and disappointed me. So anyway, so there you have it. Let's recap. So that's variation 1. It is variation 1. I got the Milani palette for $10.99. I got the Clarence mask, $25. Woohoo! And then I also received the Tarte Chrome Paint. The Tome Lip Tarte. Lip Architect lipstick and liner. We have that gold shimmery paint, like loose glitter, from Tarte as well. And also the Too Faced Peach Kiss Comfort Matte Long Wearing Lipstick. Now, I'll tell you what, I do like the shade, so this is a definite iffy. The other things, maybe the palette, I don't know. I might put that in a giveaway, I'm not sure. I do have these shades in other palettes, so I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, the other things definitely going in a giveaway, which is good. I'm hoping by now that the winners would have gotten a hold of me and we know what we're doing. Again, congratulations to everyone who won. I do have the grand prize winner did get a hold of me, and that is all in motion, so that's awesome. And yeah, guys, so that's the total of the box, okay, since they did it for us. Thank you, Jesus. I don't have to do it. It totals $102.99. So there you have it right there. Now, there was another variation, and the only thing that I see different, well, actually, there's a lot different. The only thing I see the same is the eyeshadow palette and a different shade of the Too Faced. So that would be the difference. Anyway, again, Chic Beauty Box bi-monthly subscription. I got variation 1, which is this one right here, and then variation 2 was $103.49. So they were very close in, only a difference of, I think, 50 cents or whatever. So there you go, guys, and this is what the thing looks like. I don't see a theme for this month. I mean, I might be missing it. If I do find it on the website or whatever, I will go ahead and link it up here for the month, what the theme is. And again, $102.99. Not too shabby, you know. And like I said, this is a bi-monthly subscription, so it's great. You don't have to commit every month. Okay, with that being said, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for chilling with me. It is Friday the 31st. I'm filming this. I got this box today. And yeah, so I just wanted to quickly do it. I might bump a video out, I'm not sure, and put this one up. Depends on how quick I can edit it. If not, you might see it over the weekend. So if I don't see you, which I probably will, but until my next video, guys, please remember, it's so crazy outside. Everything that's going on in this world today, please, 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 if you're not feeling right, or if you have some type of, if you're just down in the dumps, or you're in a good mood, what have you, reach out to someone, connect with someone, talk to someone, but most of all, please, by all means, stay safe. See you in the next one, guys.